What's up guys, Art here, Off the Dome Media Group, and this is our last video of 2017. "2017 is going out kicking and screaming. And 2018 is set to be pretty awesome. And I want you to take part of 2018's awesomeness. I'm not sure if that's a word. Is that a word? Whatever it is that you do, make 2018 the best year ever at doing you.
Yes! 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 Yes!
The only thing holding you back is you. We have a ton of great new content lined up for 2018, including more tutorials and tips, of course, from the SUAS or drone world. We'll also be posting more from the motorcycle, diving, music, film, and video making scenes. So it's gonna be exciting. So we'd like to thank everyone for their support in 2017. Also want to wish everyone a happy and prosperous new year in 2018. Hope to see you around. Peace.